Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder items on the Sam's Club app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reorder the same items. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Reorder on the bottom middle hand side. So this tab is basically going to show you all the frequently bought items where you can simply just click on Add and it'll be added to your cart. So again, this is a list of items that you've bought previously before, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reorder items on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.